Well, hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashwini Priyadarshini Megur, also known as Avi, and I'm a PhD student in the field of biology. So as I'm a biology-based researcher, I love to make videos related to science and the biology behind it. I even talk about skincare formulations and what are the different chemicals are used and if it is really good. And for today's topic, it is going to be about probiotics and prebiotics and how are they really essential for our skin and overall health of our body. My current research is on the topic of probiotics and also the symbiotic relation, which is like probiotics and prebiotics working together to have enhanced health benefit. So I will be talking about this later in the video, so stay tuned till the end. The first question arises like, what are probiotics? So probiotics are live microorganisms which when administered in adequate amount confirms health benefit. I mean, probiotics are present everywhere. Basically, its niche is in fermented food and also in dairy products. So it's like the most important microorganisms that you actually ingest or digest, and then it reaches your gut. And over there, it colonizes your gut and then modulates the bacteria that are present in your gut, and then that leads to health benefit. Yes, your gut does have a lot of bacteria. Basically, in colon, that is the gut, there are like billions of bacteria. The bacteria present in the gut actually outnumbers the cells that are present in our body. So that is why like modulating the gut microbiota is like very essential when it comes to proper functioning of our body. In history, like in Ayurveda, it was said like fermented food always are known as the best food. It is just because the fermented food has different types of probiotics that are really good for our gut and also for the body functioning. How does this probiotic actually work is that in the presence of glucose, these probiotics start to produce different metabolites. And when they produce these metabolites are taken up by our body. Some bacteria can produce tryptophan in the presence of glucose and also in the presence of prebiotics, which is nothing but a carbohydrate solution. Some bacteria produce tryptophan, which is very essential for our brain functioning. It modulates the sleep, it modulates our mood, so it is very essential. But we as a human, we cannot produce L-tryptophan. So these bacteria that live in our colon starts to produce this L-tryptophan, and then that L-tryptophan is reaching the brain. When this L-tryptophan reaches the brain, it has like enhanced brain function where you feel better, you sleep better, and you can actually cure maybe some neurological problem. Other than probiotics, there is another popular topic that is prebiotics. So what are prebiotics? Prebiotics are actually the carbohydrate solution or else powder that actually is taken up by the probiotics. So there was one study which I was doing in which like probiotics in presence of glucose was producing less tryptophan, but it was producing tryptophan. And in the presence of prebiotics, it starts to produce 5 times more tryptophan. So basically, it helps the probiotics to grow and to produce better metabolites that is essential for the body. So that's why probiotics with prebiotics have a better impact on the gut health as well as for the overall functioning of the body. Just a small reminder, in the description below, I have mentioned different link of my research sites and my ResearchGate profile, as well as the papers that I have published till now. If you're interested, you can check it out in the description below. All right, now how does this probiotics and prebiotics have effect on our skin? So basically, as I said, that our gut, brain are related. So our gut and skin is also related. If you have harmful bacteria that is harboring in your gut, then it shows on our skin instantly. So that is why it is very essential to eat healthy and also have a proper diet, which doesn't actually lead to imbalanced gut. And then that can lead to actually very ruptured skin. You might have seen my videos where I always talk about different ingredients, and there are like few ingredients where they talk about like lactobacillus ferment used and then bifidobacterial ferment. So these are the probiotic ferment. So these help in the hydration purpose and anti-aging properties. So they are quite powerful when it comes to skincare industry. They try to oversell this particular ingredient by saying, like, I think in Biosense there is like a probiotic cream and it is very costly. But imagine if you eat probiotic instead of applying it on your skin, its ferment. I think that would be a better choice, just eating it, ingesting it, and having it on daily basis. Not skipping yogurt, not skipping fermented food like pickled cucumber, sour cream. So these all foods should be homemade, and this is very good for your body functioning. If you come from east side of the world, like from Japan, from Korea, from India, then I'm pretty sure that you know what is the use and what is the importance of fermented food. All East Asians actually worship fermented food. So me being Indian, I also love to eat fermented food. I do love pickles. I do love yogurt, buttermilk, you name it, I love it. So I do have a lot of fermented food into my everyday food ritual. So it is very necessary to incorporate it into your diet. Right now in my research, I'm studying about how probiotics administered into mice's diet and how it actually cures Alzheimer's. So there have been numerous studies already published, but there is less study about Alzheimer's disease, and I'm also working on that. So now you guys know my profession. I am a neurobiologist as well as a microbiologist. I am pursuing my PhD at Vilnius University. So yeah, it's a very cool topic. So that is it for this video, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Make sure that you hit that like button and subscribe to my channel, and also click on that bell icon so that you can be updated whenever I come up with a new video. So I will see you soon. Take care and bye.